Good evening, everyone. We're live at 9:09 p.m., as you can see there. Battling for Troy's nice-looking Lando General. There he is. Getting ready to blow up the Death Star, too, I suppose. We got 130 spots that I am going to copy once I get to the top here. And take them over to random to find our winner on a Saturday night in Pennsylvania. There's 130 entries, which is good because that's the number we're supposed to have. As I scroll up through them, a little walk down memory lane here. Going to roll the dice, see how many rounds. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We got a 9. So we are golden for a Saturday night Lando battle. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Let's do it. Not this. Round 1, Christopher takes it. And round 2, Don takes round 3. Christopher again on top in round 4 and round 5. Chandler takes round 6. Christopher again on top in round 7 and round 8. Thus far, he has dominated. However, we come to the one that matters. The last round. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Our winner is Dennis Hall, in at number 53. Congrats, Dennis. Here's the verification code once I get to the bottom of this big old list. It is SGZIIH. Dennis, in at number 53 is the champ, Troy's Lando. I'm done at 9:11 p.m. As shown, Racha. There it is. One last time, Dennis in at number 53 is the winner. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.